In the previous video, I had mentioned we need to move this box overlap over to C++, so that way we can basically enable and disable its collision, well, at least with the interaction. And that's going to allow us to do pretty much just not have that message prompt be there. So that was kind of my initial intention. The more I thought about it, the more I realized this could just be used in the interaction message. So given how we did a little bit of a refactor for the interaction message, we can return based upon this bool. So in get interaction message, if, all right, that was the name of the video of the last one. If B purchase is in progress, we return a empty string. Otherwise, we return the buy message. So now, whenever the box has been purchased, we're basically just going to have the buy message go away. So I press play, walk up to it, press F, and you can see it goes away. And it does not reappear until we can purchase it again, like so. And this goes for, multiple clients too. So if I play with two clients, have one looking at the box while the other one buys it, we can see the same result, like so. So that handles that problem. We don't need to move this over to C++ or anything, and we don't really need to worry about it because we would have to do other things such as changing the profile because we are using it as a general blocker to not allow the player to jump up on it, well, onto the mystery box, and stuff like that. So anyways, yeah, that is going to be all for this video. Very short one. I just wanted to go ahead and get it implemented so that way we are good to go moving forwards. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below, where you can also get early access to this entire series.